Hello Internet, this is Nvidia 4090 Founders Edition with a cracked PCB. If you think cracked PCBs only affect gigabyte cards, you're wrong, because look at this gap between the hook and the rest of the board. This is exactly why gigabyte cards crack all the time. Nvidia knew about this and they figured, let's make money by doing the exact same thing what Gigabyte did. Little did they know, no one wants to buy gigabyte cards anymore, and soon, no one will want to buy Founders Edition cards either. In any case, let's go ahead and see if I can fix this card by digging into the crack and see what needs to be fixed. Okay, the crack is now fixed, I hope. Let's power this thing on and see if it functions. Due to the nature of this repair, it is absolutely critical to check every phase for the core, so I'll do that real quick. And as you can see, all phases are active, which gives us a very high hope that the card is actually fixed. One way to find out is to boot the card and see if it produces a picture. No picture this time, so I will run a memory test, and it says that there's an issue with an A1. A1 is the closest to the crack, which means it's likely to have suffered rip pads or cracked joints. So I will lift the chip, check everything out, and hopefully it's just the cracked solder joint and we won't even need to replace the chip at all. I've seen. Data lines look good. One ripped pad, that's a no connect. And the moment of truth, let's run the memory test again and see what happens. I'll go ahead and switch to the automatic display source so we can see if the card is producing its own output. And it looks like it does, and the memory test has passed, so looks like we have a fix. I'll patch the crack with some epoxy, followed by a layer of mask, just to make it look pretty, and put everything back together so we can run some stress tests. As you can see, everything is working as expected. Hopefully the owner will be more careful this time with this card. And as for you, I hope you learned something from this video, and if so, please hit me with a like, comment, subscribe for more, and I thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Goodbye.